back for try to get another junkyard score. It's about 9 o'clock. Like 10 minutes away from the junkyard. We're after an all-wheel drive transmission from an Element. Hopefully we can get this all-wheel drive transmission. My boy yesterday went, looked at it, see if it's still there. This was like, I don't know, 2 or 3 o'clock, so it's still there. It's 9 o'clock, so hopefully we'll get lucky again. This junkyard has been good to us, so we're gonna see when we get there, see what's in hold for us, so stay tuned. All right, we have made it to the junkyard. Haven't came in yet, but bringing all my tools just to be ready. And it's right here, aisle 7. So let's check it out, see if it's still there from yesterday. Oh, it looks clean. Oh boy. Still there, boys. Oh, it's got locks on it. Shouldn't be too bad. Oh man. Second, 4th, 5th, reverse. Fuck yeah. Let's see what we can do here. Excuse me. Might want to add that harness is still there as well. My boy yesterday said the ECU was there, and ECU still in there as well. Fuck yeah, let's go. I also want to add that I think it's still here because it has locks, and I carry spare lock now just in case. And oh boy, and we're good to go. Let's go. I'll start off with the ECU harness, and then I'll just take off the transmission at the end here. Let's have some good time. Okay, quick little update, everybody. I was able to rescue the harness and ECU, so now the main thing is going to be the transmission. But I'll show you guys real quick. The engine harness, everything came out pretty good. ECU, there was like one sensor, the oil pressure sensor, that seems to always break, but other than that, everything else came out good. No broken plugs, no nothing. Possibly out for sale. Quick little update, guys. Took off this axle, just to get apart. 36, the 19, and the 22 or whatever. And then I took off the caliper, just hanged it up on there. I don't want no oil leaking. Working on this side. I already popped out the axle. I gotta get underneath it and pop it on from the inside, because I don't think this side's gonna come out so easily. And then do the front mount, and then possibly the back mount, and then drop the subframe and start taking it down. Update number, I don't know. Was able to pull out, the mid shaft, the little cover plate, and then the subframe. And then all I gotta do is remove the bolts for the drive shaft. Oh man, I'm out of breath. And that's about it. And then the mount up top, I should be good to go. All right, everyone. Finally got the trans out. Like I said, all-wheel drive. Or I guess nobody really knows, but I'm gonna go all-wheel drive on my other sedan that you guys don't know about yet, but obviously by seeing this, you guys know that I have a K-swap sedan. Hopefully we'll go all-wheel drive soon. Like I said, grab the harness and ECU. I'm probably gonna get those flywheel bolts and pressure plate bolts because they're specific to manual. So yeah, and then I just gotta go get a couple things at the yard, and then I'll be on my way. But another successful junkyard score, so happy about this. Or I don't know, maybe I could sell this and actually go turbo in the car, so still up for debate. All right guys, picked up everything, ended up taking the flywheel bolts and the pressure plate bolts, and got it all loaded up, picked up everything. I'm just gonna walk the yard a little bit more, but yeah, good day. Man, I'm not gonna lie guys, there's an EK here and I need some of the trim or molding, door molding clips, especially this one with the little 10 and then the one at the end. I saw this car before pulling out the trans. The car was here, and then somebody took the other door, man. Yeah, I needed that damn clip too. Man, salty right now, man. They left a little speaker here though. Got a nice little speaker, I'm not gonna lie. Is there the other one? Nah, they took that thing. Ain't no speaker behind. I would have taken the pair if this looks like a brand new speaker. Oh, this has some speakers in the back too. Don't need that. I'm already taking unnecessary things right now, but that's a one in a lifetime picking that up in the junkyard. So I'll just take this little clip over here, see if I can take it out. Mission successful, guys. I got the two little clips. I just need the one on the right side, so these clips go right here at the end, and then on this end pretty much one goes right here, the one with the little screw, and then the other one goes all the way at the end over here. But you're supposed to like push it over and then pull the little clip out by itself. Okay, on the hunt for the next two. Sad to see, boys. This is a 07 TSX. I just want to get this off for the cams. They're a little bit more aggressive, but whoever got it, they got a good motor. Well, I don't think I want to be walking anymore. I'm still walking around with the cart with the transmission and the tools. It's kind of heavy. I think I'm gonna have to call it a day and go home. You guys are not gonna believe this, what I just found. Another one. Can't even make this shit up. Somebody already tried messing with it, but looks like everything's still there. God damn, man. I don't need it. It would be good for resale though, but I'll think about it. Depends on how much I spend right now with the one I got.